Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about the Bohn's role of maximum multiplicity. Bohn's role of maximum multiplicity. Here in this case, the this rule, Bohn's is the name of the scientist, and a rule of maximum multiplicity. Then, according to him, that is how to fill up the electrons in the orbit. How to fill up the electrons in the orbit. This rule I have stated there. That is the filling of electrons. How to fill up the electrons in the orbit. In each orbit, that is S, P, D, F. In the S subset, S orbit, that is only one electron is present. One orbit is present. In the p orbit, 3 orbitals are present. The rule is state that the fill up the electrons in the orbital belonging to the same subset of orbitals and equal energy, that is the degenerate orbitals. And hence the rule of maximum multiplicity is the pairing of electrons and orbitals belonging to the same subset and does not occur unless each orbitals belonging to that subset has got one electron each. It means that in the S subset, the filling of electrons, that is to fill up the electrons in each orbit. Firstly, in the P subset, 3 orbitals are present. First of all, that is one electron is filled up in the each orbit. After that, the coming electron is added in the anti-clockwise direction. That is like this. This rule is straight side, and this is the degenerate orbital. It means that equal energy the orbital. In the S orbit, 2 electrons. Then in the B subset, 5 orbitals are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means that this is also the degenerate orbital in the equal energy levels. Then F orbital, 1, 2, 3. Like this, the electrons are filled in each orbitals. Then in the orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, we continuously fill up with the orbitals. For example, these are the degenerate orbitals. Another electrons is total 7 unpaired electron. After paired, 14 electrons are present. Here in the S orbital, the 2 electrons are present. Only one orbit is present. These are the subset. In the P subset, that is the maximum accommodation capacity of the P subset is S subset is 2 electron. P subset is orbitals, 3 orbitals, but the accommodation capacity is 6 electrons. Then the D orbital, 5 orbitals are present. Accommodation capacity is 10. Then the F orbital, the 7 orbitals are present and the accommodation capacity is 14 electrons. It means that these are the degenerate orbitals. Degenerate, it means that these orbitals are having the equal energy. Then we discuss about the examples. For example, the hydrogen having the atomic number is 1. Electronic configuration 1s 1. The orbitals are here, only one electron is present. This is the number of electrons. Atomic number is 1, it means that only one electron is present. Helium atomic number 2, electronic configuration is 1s2. The orbitals 1s2. Then lithium atomic number is 3, 1s2, 2s1. And 2s1. Beryllium atomic number 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. In the s orbit 2 electrons are present, s orbit 2 electrons are present. Then boron atomic number is 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 1. S orbit 2 electrons are present. In the 2s2 orbit 2 electrons are present. In the p subset, that is only 1 electron is present. Then carbon atomic number is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p, 2. In the s orbit 2 electrons are present. Then in the second orbit, second 2s2 orbit 2 electrons are present. In the p subset, that is the 3, here 2 electrons are present. These 2 electrons are firstly one electron is added in each orbit. Then the nitrogen electronic atomic number is 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 3p, 3, and the orbitals, these are the orbitals. One electron is added in the p orbit, 3 electrons are present. Like this, continuously one electron is added in each subset, each orbit. After that, if the electrons are filled unpaired electrons, after that the coming electron is added in like this. The oxygen atomic number is 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4. Here 1 electron is added in each orbit. After that, will be 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons. Then fluorine atomic number is 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. Then in the p orbit, that is the 5 electrons are present. 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6, 2 electrons, and here 2 electrons. Here number of in the p orbit, that is the number of 6 electrons are present. It means that these are 3 electrons are paired, and paired electrons, coming electrons are added like this anti-clockwise direction, and these are completely fulfilled orbitals. This is the 1s2. The atomic number of hydrogen atom is 1, and the electronic configuration is 1s1. Only 1 electron is present in s orbit. In the s orbit, only 1 orbit is present. Helium atomic number is 2, 1s2. These 2 electrons are always present in the anti-clockwise directions. Or opposite spins. Lithium electronic atomic number is 3, and electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. In the 2s1, 1s2, and then 2s1. Here the orbit is 1s, and this orbit is 2s and 2p orbitals. Like this is the firstly one electron is added in each orbit. After that, the coming electron is added in first orbit to the last orbits. That is with opposite spins. This is the Course rule of maximum multiplicity.